All right. Copy trades on. So yesterday was the first day that I stopped using the take profit. It only had 55 from the drawdown, apparently. So I don't know if that's completely correct on this one, but it expires Friday. It was free for 60 days, and I'm not paying for renewal. And so one of the things with the prop firms is you have all these drawdowns, end of day, intraday. So that's what I like about my personal account. Only drawdown is my original balance, never moves. No news today. So these settings reset every night. 1930 hours, I believe is what it is. Chicago time. There's a good one right here. Pre-market, but I think there was news. He wouldn't take that anyway. But if it starts slowing down, take this one. That's not a good one from news movement. So what we look for on this one is, this is the first bottom, first top, second bottom. You had your third top still topping around. And we needed at least 3 bars closed down for a third bottom going in an uptrend for HD and it turn gold. This now it chopped down and went up 3. You would have to, if it doesn't close the 4th, we would have to have it closed down 4, so we're not in 3-bar chop. And we're going up today to the 1 deviation. After yesterday. Mhm. And so this number isn't hard to fulfill. It was only pretty much 1,800 contracts. So you'll see that number jump up pretty quick. And then the red dashes are the pause. The blues are what they call the mini magnets. Just think of those as support and resistance potentials. And then if you get a whole lot of mini magnets in a row or just in a zone, that potentially signifies chop coming. So if we continue up 2 more bars, looking for ODD, or now it would be another mini trend in the opposite direction if we go down 4 bars ODD. All right, so now we would look for 3 bars up under 25% to shoot it back down. Canceled that one out, pushed up higher. Shoot up 4 bars, get a divergence. Feels a little choppy today. All right, one more bar down. Nope, took us out. Okay, broke that low. Went back to the low for the open. Look at the bid and ask numbers right here. Most time you see 1 to like 5. And you've been seeing like 16, 40 flashes. All right, there we go. We got our 3 bars to get that 125%. $31.25. $39.25. Here we go. And that fucker moves fast.
Order canceled.
Control 1, flatten everything. So I've been trying to learn how to trade futures for 2 years. Tried several different strategies, pick base bars like this, time base bars, 30-second, 1 minute, 5 minute, all that. MACD strategy, a variety of stuff. And I actually kind of originally started with Apex Sniper, but the standard settings just didn't work. Like when the training videos were originally made. And went away from it for a bit, came back, into last summer, I saw value in the indicators and the information, the real-time information they're providing. So I had to kind of see, just how I could make it work. Because I definitely preferred it over time-based bars. And this is the first time in 2 years that I've actually opened my own futures personal account, like Ninja Trader Brokerage. I've just done the prop firm accounts, mainly Apex, keep it cheap. So, I kind of stumbled upon these exact settings back in November, and forward tested it, because you can't really back test it if you don't know what the diagnostic bar numbers is. And if you go too far back, it actually won't give you a correct number if you do market replay. Oh, just forward testing it to see if the ever-changing daily expected movements, pairing that with the divergence setups without all the extra requirements that they normally put on it, because especially in NQ, hardly any of these would fulfill all the requirements. So forward tested it on NQ, ES, YM, RTY, and NQ does work best. You're going for more ticks, so you're paying less in commission, so that helps. Seems to have an 80% win rate during this time of day trading. ES works the least. Kind of second in line is RTY for the same time frame of waiting 5 minutes after open and trading until like top of the hour. However, your tick offset, we pretty much always get filled if we keep our tick offset for, -1 for every 5, so if we're at 60, we're at 12. But RTY, there's times when the diagnostic bars are only like 12 or 14, and it will jump 5 ticks, and we're not setting. All right, here's a potential trade setup. And so you miss out on trades, unfortunately. So it does work if you would catch all of those trades. It, wins 80+% of the time for the same exact time of day you're trading. But you are going for less ticks, so even if you would catch all trade, it is less profitable for a contract. YM would catch more of them. Usually the small bar size is larger than RTY, and you can trade that from like market open for like 90 minutes. You don't get a whole lot of trades compared to NQ or RTY. That one seems to have an 80% win rate. And ES, again, this is relying on movement, and ES just doesn't move as much. All right. Damn.
Order canceled.
That's why you need this bar close. Trying to time that shit. Oh my god. I must have been a whole lot of fucking orders coming around those price points to move it like that. There's no news. And then if I get filled at the worst possible fill of the -12 ticks, then that 141 tick stop I have set should be spot on. We're, in a sense, the further hashtags at. And that moves so fast, I couldn't even check it. So I just left it. But that's the only one I'm willing to move. I do not move my take profit. If I get a great fill, I just leave it, so I don't even require the 3-bar close. And for how fast that moved, that's also why I've switched to the ETP copier. Because it carries all my OCOs, the ATM, and it puts them where they should be. When I was testing out the portable indicators one, for some reason it wasn't putting them where it was supposed to be. It wasn't like, I'm going for 52 ticks today profit. It wouldn't have it 52 ticks. Sometimes it'd be half that. And then the stop would be super far. It'd be like 200 ticks. So that one works best if you're just going for market orders on the settings. Okay. Another one setting up here. There we go. But since this moves so fast, it seems like it always retraces anyway. So I don't want to lose, in a sense, an additional 10 ticks. So then I'm like 5 points off. Both of them work really, really well. You just only use the affordable indicators for executions mode market orders. So if you have like a slower moving market, that one's fine. And the issue with pairing all the OCOs in NinjaTrader is, according to affordable indicators, if you have more than 20 accounts, so if you have prop firms, personals, whatever, 20 or more accounts, it can create issues with the orders. So the objective with the ETP copier is you can have all these whatever's connected in your Ninja, all those combined with whatever separate rhythmic and DX feeds. So from prop firms, personal accounts, whatever. So potentially one could, okay, you're having less than 20 accounts through NinjaTrader, Tradeovate connections in this. And then there are a whole bunch of supported brokers for rhythmic feeds. You go to Rhythmic's website, it'll show you I think there's like 20 of them. So you could potentially have all those. So you could have all these personal accounts set up at different brokerages and be copying them. But you want to make sure that your orders are being properly filled, or carrying your OCOs across all of them. And right now I can just check a NinjaTrader. I can make sure all of my orders are flattened. I can check the working orders. But if you had all these separate rhythmics, you couldn't see that in there. So then one might have to have a whole bunch of additional VPSs, and because each one you can have a Rhythmic RTrader Pro open in. So if you have 10, 20 accounts, you have to have 10 to 20 of these VPSs. That way you could monitor your positions if needed in those. And the ETP copier is not that old. So they're still fixing bugs, updating versions, and it's not completely figured out yet, but it seems to work very well if I only have anything in NinjaTrader hooked up to it. I haven't had any issues with it on that end. If I'm doing a direct connect and Sniper is my leader and then all the rest are followers. Here we go. Get it going down again. Okay, so we have a minute left. And we're done. And that one failed. Wow. Oh well. So this is 10% of the size, so we received positive slippage on it. Yesterday, this number was 795 and this was 92. So that received, let's see, in a sense, was equivalent like 100, you know, $125 more. So that's over 5 points. 5 points of positive slippage on that one yesterday.